In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete credentials in N8N. If you've ever changed an integration, rotated an API key, or simply cleaned up old connections, removing outdated credentials is a quick way to keep your workspace secure and organized. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, it really is simple and easy, but a quick note before we begin. Deleting credentials is permanent, and any workflows that depend on those credentials will stop working until they're updated. If you're unsure whether a credential is in use, take a moment to check your workflows and make a note of where it appears. That small bit of prep can save you trouble later. Now, head to N8N. Open your N8N instance in your browser and sign in if you're prompted. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or environment where the credential actually lives, especially if you use multiple environments like development and production. The interface might look slightly different depending on your version or hosting setup, but the actions are the same. Next, head to Credentials. You'll find this in the main navigation panel. When you open the Credentials area, you'll see a list of all saved connections. Use the search bar or filters if you have a long list. It's helpful to search by the service name, like a CRM or email provider, to quickly find what you need. If you're part of a team, you might also see who owns or shares a credential, which can be useful for avoiding accidental deletions that affect others. Now choose the credential you want to remove. Double check you've selected the right one, especially if you have similar names. Then, click the three-dot menu next to that credential and select Delete. Most setups will show a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully. It's your last chance to back out if you pick the wrong item. Confirm the deletion, and the credential will be removed from your workspace. After you delete it, any workflow referencing that credential will show an error until you reconnect a new credential in the affected nodes. If delete is unavailable or grayed out, you might not have permission to remove that item, and you'll need to contact your workspace admin. That's all there is to it. Quick recap. Open N8N, go to Credentials, locate the right entry, use the three-dot menu, and confirm delete. Keep your workspace tidy, review workflows after changes, and you'll maintain a smooth, secure automation environment.